Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Brother printer with web-based setup utility, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Brother printer is powered on and connected to your network. Open a web browser on your computer. In the address bar, type the IP address of your Brother printer. You can find the printer's IP address by printing a network configuration page. Press Enter to access the web-based setup utility. Once the page loads, you may need to log in to the utility. The default username is usually admin and the default password is access. If you have changed these credentials, enter your custom login details. Look for a section labeled Network or Network Settings on the main page. Select this option to view your network configuration. To restore your printer to its factory settings, look for a tab that says Reset or Factory Reset. Click on this tab to proceed. You may be prompted to confirm your choice to restore factory settings. Click OK or Yes to confirm. After the reset is complete, the printer will reboot automatically. Once the printer is rebooted, reconnect it to your network if necessary. If you need to reconfigure your network settings, return to the network configuration page. Follow the prompts to set up your Wi-Fi or wired connection. After completing the setup, ensure that the printer is operational by printing a test page. This ensures that your restoration process was successful. You have now restored your Brother printer using the web-based setup utility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.